Hello everybody, how are you doing today? My name is Tayyab and welcome to my channel. Today in this video we are going to talk on the topic tips for using Excel like a pro. Want to master Excel? Here are pro tips for you. Use formulas like sum and average for quick calculations. Explore conditional formatting to highlight important data. Master shortcuts like Ctrl plus C, Ctrl plus V for efficiency. Create pivot tables for better data analysis. Lastly, familiarize yourself with data validation for accurate entries. Get ready to impress with your Excel skills. Hope so you learned something in this video. If you did, leave a like and a comment below. So until next time, goodbye.